Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials in Hand. In this video, we are going to see how to add two user provided numbers in Python. So without further ado, let's get started with it. First of all, let's quickly move to VS Code in order to start writing the program. Let's create a new file by clicking onto this icon and let's simply say the name of the file is code.py. Now what we have to do, if I try to break them down into stepwise, then step 1 we have to take the input as numbers. So first of all we have to take input as numbers. Then in step 2 we simply have to sum them together, sum, and in step 3 we have to do what? We have to simply print them. So let's start with step 1 first of all. So now in order to take number as input, what we have to do, we simply let's say we create a variable, let's say num1 as the variable name, and in this what we have to do, we will give input and we will ask the user to provide us with the first number. So we will write enter first number. Now one thing that you should think over here is that in Python this function will give us string as the input. So we have to change that and we have to tell that it's gonna be integer type. So in order to do that, in order to cast it, we have to write like this. So this means what? Means the user, suppose if the user gives 3, then that will not be an integer if we do not cast it like this. So that will be, suppose it's string, then we will cast it into integer, and then in num1 our integer 3 will be stored. So it works like that. Similarly, we will take input for a second number in the same way, and in this we will give the comment to provide us with the second number. So now our step 1 is over, which is we have taken the input. Now we have to sum them together. Now for doing the summation, what is the thing? We will simply add it like this. Now where we have to store this, right? We have to store it somewhere so that we can use it in future. So let's create a new variable, let's say sum, and put it inside that. So this sum variable is basically containing the sum of num1 and num2. Now let's simply print it out and write as sum of the number is. So this will basically, and the sum variable, so this will basically give me the summation of the both the numbers. Now let's try to run it and see, it's asking me for the first number, let's give 10, and it's asking me for the second number, let's give 20. Now you can see that it's saying that the sum of two number is 30. So this is all about how to take input first of all as integer, and then how to sum them together and how to print it. I hope you understood the concept very well, but still if you have any doubt or anything you want to ask, then feel free to drop them down in the comment section. We will try to solve it as soon as possible. So that was all about this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much.